Most beginners don't fail because they can't make videos. They fail because they make everything one by one. One idea, one script, and one video, again and again, until they quit. But in this video, I'm going to show you a completely different system with one NotebookLM research session, one Claude chat, 15 video ideas, 5 complete scripts, 5 production maps, and then in step 5, Google Flow's agent starts building the visuals for your entire batch automatically. So don't skip ahead, because once you understand step 5, you will never look at Faceless YouTube production the same way again. Welcome to AIPreneur. Let us build your first AI content automation step by step. Step 1, the NotebookLM research base. Everything starts here, and you only do this once. Open NotebookLM and create one new notebook. This notebook becomes the brain of your entire content factory. Now, add your sources. Go to YouTube, search your niche, filter by top performers, and pull 8 to 10 of the best videos out there. Copy their URLs and add them directly as website sources inside your notebook. Mistakes to avoid. Do not add random videos. Only add videos that already prove they can get attention. High view counts, strong engagement, recent performance. That is what makes the research meaningful. Next, you need to add audience research as a source. Here's how to do that inside the same notebook. Look at the top left corner of your notebook and click the button that says Add Source. From the options that appear, you will see a search bar at the top of that screen. You will also see 2 drop-down options next to it, Web and Fast Research. Click the Fast Research drop-down and switch it to Deep Research. Then type this into the search bar, replacing the placeholder with your actual niche. Hit the search icon and let it run. NotebookLM will generate a detailed research report automatically. Once it finishes, hit Import, and you will see it added to your sources. Finally, download the official prompt documentation for each AI tool. You'll use image, video, and voice from the official pages. Come back to your notebook, click Add Source, select Sites Web, and paste those prompting guide URLs there. One notebook with 3 types of sources. All your knowledge in one place. Now paste this master prompt into the notebook chat that analyzes all my sources and provides a complete report on my niche. Hit run. What comes back is a complete niche intelligence report with 6 sections covering everything your content factory needs to know about your niche. You will see your ideal video length with a specific reason behind it, the exact hook structures that grab attention in your niche, the emotional language your audience actually uses, the visual style that fits your space, and the precise prompt vocabulary for every AI tool you will use, all in one structured output ready to copy. Copy the entire output and save it as your master research document. This is the intelligence that powers every step that follows. You built it once, you never touch it again, unless you change niche. The research brain is built, but research alone does not create videos. Now let's turn it into a month of content. Step 2, generate a full month of ideas. Now we hand it to Claude to scan everything your niche rewards and turn it into a month of content in one shot. Open Claude and start a new chat. Paste your entire master research document into the first message, then paste this prompt that analyzes your search document and provides you with 15 ideas based on it. Hit generate. What comes back is not a list of random video ideas. It is 15 niche intelligent concepts built entirely from what actually works in your space. Every title follows the patterns that already perform. Every angle fills a gap nobody is covering. Every length matches what your audience expects. You will see titles that already sound like real videos, not generic ideas, but specific angles built around the gaps nobody in your niche is covering yet. Mistake to avoid. Do not pick the ideas you personally like. Pick the ones that match audience demand. The research already told you what your viewers want. Trust it over your own instincts. Read through the list and pick your 5 strongest ideas. The ones that feel most original, most searchable, and most aligned with what your audience actually wants. Your first content batch is now planned. Now let's turn those 5 ideas into 5 complete scripts. Step 3, bulk script generation. Stay in the same Claude chat and don't paste anything new. Just send this prompt. That lets Claude become a master scriptwriter for your content. Then list your 5 chosen ideas below that prompt and hit generate. Mistake to avoid. Do not ask Claude for generic scripts. Force it to use the research. The prompt already does this. But if you remove the research context or start a new chat, Claude loses its niche intelligence and falls back to generic writing. Stay in the same chat. Claude writes all 5 scripts back to back in one response, each one already matching the hook style, pacing, and storytelling patterns your research identified. No separate research pass per script. No starting from 0-5 separate times. Each script already opens with the hook structure your research identified, matches the sentence rhythm your niche audience expects, and runs the exact length your competitor data recommended. Your first batch is now scripted. Now let's build the production map for all 5. Step 4, bulk visual prompt generation. Still in the same Claude chat, paste this next prompt that describe the full production table for each script. Hit generate. What comes back is 5 complete production tables, one for each video, every scene mapped to its script section, every image prompt and video prompt ready to paste directly into your generation tools. Your production map is ready. 5 tables, every scene planned, every prompt written. This is where most people stop because the visual production feels overwhelming. Next step fixes that permanently. Step 5, bulk visual production. This is where the visual automation turns on. Most creators are losing hours here, generating images and videos one scene at a time. Copy one prompt, generate, download, go back, copy the next prompt, repeat. 15 scenes per video, 5 videos. That is 150 separate manual actions just for visuals. Not anymore. Google Flow has a built-in agent that takes your entire production table and runs every prompt automatically back to back without you touching anything. Open Google Flow. Before you touch your production tables, you need one thing first, a character reference image. Go to your first production table, copy your character description, and paste it into Google Flow's standard image tab. Select your ratio and hit generate. Flow creates your character in one single image. Download it. This becomes the visual anchor that keeps your character consistent across every scene. Now, inside Google Flow, look for the agent option and select it. This is not the regular image or video tab. It is a separate mode that runs automated batch generation. Open the settings inside agent, configure your image settings and your video settings, check everything looks right, and save. Drag and drop your character reference image directly into the agent. This tells the agent what your characters look like, so every generated scene stays visually consistent without you manually referencing it each time. Now go back to your visual prompts. Copy all your text-to-image prompts for video 1, every scene, with its scene number and heading, all of them together in one block. Back in Google Flow Agent, type this first, insert all scenes. Then paste all your image prompts directly below that line and hit send. The agent processes every prompt automatically, one after another, and generates every scene image for video 1 without you doing anything else. While it runs, move on to something else. That is the point. Once all images are generated, click the 3 dots on each one. Rename them by scene number scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, all the way through. Mistake to avoid. Do not download files with random names. Scene numbers keep the whole edit clean. You will thank yourself later when you open CapCut and every clip is already in order. Download every image in order. Now, start a new project inside Google Flow. Drag and drop all your numbered scene images in at once. All of them upload together. Go back to your visual prompts and copy all your video prompts for video 1 again. Every scene with its scene number all together in one block. Back in the agent type, insert all scenes. Paste all your video prompts below and hit send. Here is the moment this stops feeling like a tutorial and starts feeling like a factory. The agent asks for your approval and shows you exactly how many credits it will use. You click approve and then you watch it go. Scene after scene generating automatically while you do nothing. The agent runs the whole sequence start to finish. That is the whole point of this system. Once all videos are done, download them in order. They're already numbered, so you know exactly which clip goes where in your edit. Now repeat this entire agent process for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same steps, same agent, just a different production table each time. Quick honest note, the agent uses flow credits for video generation. Keep an eye on your credit balance before approving each batch, especially when running 5 videos back to back. The agent tells you exactly how many credits each run will cost before you approve, so you always know what you're committing to before it starts. All 5 sets of visuals are done automatically. Now, the content needs a voice. Step 6. Bulk voiceover. Open ElevenLabs. Paste script 1 into the text box. On the right side, pick a voice that fits the tone of your niche, calm and steady. Works for most formats. More intense for high-stakes topics. One thing that matters here, and most tutorials skip it. Use the exact same voice, the same tone setting, and the same speed across all 5 scripts. That consistency is what builds a recognizable brand voice. A viewer who watches 2 of your videos should feel like they came from the same channel, not 2 different creators. Hit generate, listen once to check pacing, and download the audio when it sounds right. Repeat for all 5 scripts without changing anything. 5 scripts, 5 voiceovers, same voice all the way through. Quick, honest note. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters a month, roughly enough for 1 full video. If you are running 5 scripts through ElevenLabs, you will need either shorter scripts or a paid plan. That is the real trade-off of the free path, and it is worth knowing before you build around it. Now the content has a voice. Time to assemble it. Step 7. Bulk edit. Open CapCut, desktop version, and create your first project. Think of it this way. The voiceover is the spine, the numbered clips are the body, and the production table tells you exactly where every piece goes. There is no guesswork left. The factory already made all the decisions. Import the voiceover for video 1 and all its matching clips. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline first, that is your backbone. Then drag each clip above it in order. Your production table already tells you exactly which clip goes where. Match the emotion to the narration. A quiet line gets a quiet shot. A strong line gets your most powerful visual. Trim each clip so it lands exactly when the voice does. Add captions with white text and a black outline. Drop background music underneath the voiceover at low volume. Add transitions between each clip for smooth movement. Preview it once, check the pacing, then export. Close that project, open a new one for video 2, and repeat the exact same process. Same workflow, same editing decisions, just different assets. Work through all 5 until every video is exported and ready.
The FBI closed the file. A retired mechanic reopened it. For 11 years, federal investigators worked this case. They had profilers, they had databases, they had unlimited resources, and they got nowhere. Then a small
5 projects, 5 timelines, 5 finished videos, all from 1 research session and 1 Claude chat. You do not need to start with 5. Build a notebook today and run the master prompt. See what 15 ideas built on real research looks like. That 1 step changes how you see your channel. Drop pipeline in the comments and tell me your niche. I will reply with all prompts. And if you want more bulk automation assets, watch these next videos when I explain more. Hit like, subscribe to AIPreneur for more automation like this one, and I will see you in the next one.